Hey guys, your girl Cayce Hanalei here with another makeup tutorial, and in this series I sit down and I do something fun with makeup. So if you like that kind of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and comment this video. It really helps me out. And in this video we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial using only 4 ingredients. I want to say ingredients, but it's 4 products, only 4. So if you want to learn how to do this with only 4 products, stick around because I'm going to be doing it right now. Thank you, future me. Really appreciate. Anyways, so like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be doing a very, very simple face in a tutorial of only 4 products. So we'll see if I can accomplish a full look with only 4 products. Wish me luck. So the first thing I want to do, what do I want to do? So the 4 products that I'm going to be using: foundation, bronzer, blush, and mascara. I know I don't really use mascara, but I wanted to keep it simple for you guys, and in a pinch, these 4 products will give you a full face. So I will show you that as soon as I figure out what I want to do first. So I think what I want to do is do my eyes first, like I always freaking do. And then we'll do the face, and then we'll go on with the lips, and we'll be done. I think this is going to be a pretty quick one. So, like I said, this would be helpful. Like, I've gone on trips before. I am not the most, when I have a lot going on, sometimes my brain is just elsewhere. It's on a different planet. And once or twice, I have forgotten my entire makeup bag. And I don't know why I do that, but I've done it before. And I'll just go to the corner drugstore or wherever I can find, and I don't want to buy a whole face worth of makeup just for that trip, right? It's a good excuse to do that. But hopefully if you're in a pinch like that, maybe this tutorial will help you. So the first thing that I want to do is the eyes, like always. So I'm going to be using my bronzer for this. And I have a little brushy here, a little eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes before I go in with the... Oh my gosh. I don't really curl my eyelashes that much, but dang. Ooh. So I've put out a few videos since the Lady Gaga video, but since she's won her Grammy, congratulations, mama, it's gone up in views. So I think I need to, ride the award train and just do videos on people who win awards. Kidding. Anyways, but thank you for all the love. I really appreciate all of the new viewers and the new subscribers. Very excited to see you guys, new people. I love it. So this is the Buttermilk Bronzer NYX in Butter Biscuit. So this one is a little bit too dark for my skin tone, actually. I bought this when I was really tan. But this is actually going to be perfect for our eyeshadow. And then I'm just going to do like just a basic kind of smoky brown look today. And it's just to give us a little color. Looks pretty. Nice glow. And then we can go, it is a little dark for my skin tone, like I said, so I'll go a little lighter when I actually use it as bronzer. But you can go pretty heavy on your eyes if you wanted to. And that's why I chose this bronzer, is because it is a little dark for me, so I can go a little darker on my eyes if I want to. There we go. Okay, so that's all I'm really gonna do. I have a makeup wipe here. And hopefully if you're in one of these situations, hopefully you have a washcloth or something that you can use. to give you that nice line. Just be gentle. If you do use a washcloth, like it's a little bit more harsher than a makeup wipe, so just be very careful around your eyes. Okay. All right, so now I'm going with my foundation brush. Hold on, do I like the blend on this? It's gonna be very simple today. Oh, and I forgot to spray this. Oh, sorry, guys. So if I didn't have this, I would probably just be wetting it in the sink. But you guys will forgive me, right? Okay, and this is House Laboratories Triclone Fair Neutral. I've been wanting to do like a drugstore full face. Whenever that's the kind of stuff that I like. I like to see like dupes and, you know, stuff that saves me money and just helpful tutorials, right? At least that's what I like to look at. But I know the popular ones are like, do this music video makeup, or do this fun new trend. But the dupes, I really love the dupes for some reason. I really like seeing what people find and come up with. Now, okay, so obviously concealer is not one of my products that I'm using, but if you need a little bit more coverage in certain places, you just add a little bit more foundation. Concealer is just thick foundation, you guys. Just FYI. And if you have a good foundation, you can layer it and it can act like a concealer, just FYI. You don't need all of the products that they're trying to sell you. Let me just tell you. They might put a hit out on me for telling you that. So I definitely want a little bit more coverage underneath. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm actually gonna put a little on my brush here. I'm gonna control it a little better. And I think that'll give me the coverage that I want. There we go. Yeah, like one time I went on vacation and I brought my makeup stuff. Didn't bring any eyeshadow. Didn't bring any blush or bronzer. But what I did bring was my eyebrow powder. So I actually used that as eyeshadow and it worked out pretty good. And I used that for a little bit of bronzer. And my eyebrows, of course. Okay. Looks pretty good. That's the coverage I want. It's gonna be a little dewy just because I'm not gonna set it with powder because that would be another ingredient. And we're trying to keep it pretty stiff on the 4 ingredients here. 4 products. Ingredients, Cayce. Products. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with bronzer and I'm gonna get my big fluffy here. I'm gonna try to go pretty light. So I'm gonna put it on with this big fluffy, but I'm gonna take my foundation brush and blend it out with that because I think it's gonna be pretty dark. Oh, it's not bad. Okay. It's still like a really dark color for me, but it's not bad. Okay. Let's blend it out. There, that looks better. That diffused it a bit. There we go. Looks good. This is gonna be a really short one. Sorry, you guys. I think you guys like the short ones though. Go. Should we do a little contour? Oh, let's do a little contour on our newsie. There we go. Okay. We already used this, so let's use this again. Oh, uh-oh. That was a little dark. A little dark, Cayce. It's okay. Foundation brush to the rescue. Should contour my nose more. I got somebody commenting that I had a really good nose after I posted that thing about not having a nose job. Thank you for the compliment. Appreciate the, you know, support. But it's a little weird. Okay, so now sorry. Let's do some blush. We'll blend this in. This is my She Glam in Devoted. And it's their like cream blush. I love this formula. It's so easy to work with. It's blendable. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. And we'll use that for lips too. Okay, great. Okay, so now we're gonna use the bronzer again for our eyebrows. And I have this little brush here. Hope it's okay. I don't feel very talkative tonight. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I am so tired. Between kids and work and family drama. It's been a long year already, and it's only freaking February. Who else feels like that? And there's just a lot going on in the world right now too, like a lot of discouraging stuff. I try not to watch I don't watch the news, just because it's too doom and gloom right now. Like, I have a hard enough time staying positive. I like to stay informed. I try to stay informed of like what's going on, but man, when my parents visit, they have the news on 24/7. And no wonder I have freaking anxiety. Like, that's how I was growing up too. And so since this is my house, I get to tell them, hey, can we maybe not have that on all the time? I don't want the kids, you know, worrying about what they can't control. That looks nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna put mascara on, and then we'll do lips, and then we'll be done. I know already. Shoot, man. Really easy look. I already curled my eyelashes. This is when I do wear mascara, this is my favorite mascara. This is a recommendation from Bailey Sarian. Thank you so much, Bailey. Essence Lash Princess. And this is the non-waterproof, just because I'm going to be doing a skincare video after this, so I want to be able to take this off. But if I were to go out, I would definitely get the waterproof. Well, look how long, look at the difference. Look how long my lashes look compared to. And this is like under $5 usually at the drugstore. I think I got this one at Ulta, or maybe on Amazon. Formula's great. It gives me a crap ton of volume and length. I just don't like it because I feel like I have oily eyelids, so it always goes underneath. Oh, that does look nice. So I'll let that dry. I'll do a layer on my underneath, and then that'll be good, but it looks really pretty. Okay, so now we'll do lips. And chances are you probably have some chapstick on you, so I would definitely layer some chapstick on before putting this on. But do I want to do? No, I don't want to do that. Do as I say, not as I do. So this is my blush again. That is pretty dang good. All right, let's go in with, make our mascara face. And if you want to, you could even go in with that small brush and do a little bronzer in your waterline. Should we do that? I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I got this little brush and my bronzer here. Let that mascara dry. Ideally, probably do it before you put the mascara on, but just gonna give you a little depth. Do you see the difference? Really finishes off the look really nice. I feel like it makes it look complete. Okay, and then I kind of messed up my, blend that back out. There, really pretty. Pretty and simple. I feel like I need a little bit more blush. What do you think? It's such a simple look. But really, really pretty. Love it. Super simple. And I do something very similar when I like have an everyday look at work or whatever. Like, I think I've shown you guys, like it's pretty much just like bronzer. But this little like blush combo really gives myself a really nice glow. So pretty. Okay, let's take down our hair. La 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 la. So pretty, you guys. So pretty and so simple. Okay. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment this video. It really helps my channel out. And I'm so glad that you decided to join me for this very short tutorial of only 4 products. It's amazing what you can do with just 4 strategic products. So I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. What do we say? Be kind to yourself, be kind to one another, and I love you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.